Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is your grammar class, and my today's topic is chapter 16 past perfect tense. In today's session, we will discuss about how to form the sentence using past perfect tense and how to use the past perfect tense. Let's get started now. The past perfect tense is used to indicate actions that took place and were completed in the past. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस को हम यूज़ करते हैं उन एक्शंस को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो कि पास्ट में हुए थे और कंप्लीट भी हो गए थे. द पास्ट परफेक्ट is often used to emphasize that one action, event, or condition ended before another past action, event, or condition began. पास्ट में किसी एक्शन के, इवेंट के और कंडीशन के, कुछ भी हो सकता है, उनके शुरू होने से पहले वो काम हो चुका था. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ this? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Look at the example first. I had never seen such a beautiful place. In this sentence, I is a subject, had plus verb's third form, seen. See, saw, seen. Such a beautiful place. It's a object. Now, what is the use of past perfect tense? हम past perfect tense को कहाँ कहाँ use करते हैं? Now we can use past perfect tense to describe the finished actions before something in the past. जो कि past में कुछ होने से पहले जो action finish हो चुके होते हैं, जो complete हो चुके होते हैं, then we will use past perfect tense to describe them. Like the film had already started when we arrived at the cinema. अब यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस है जिसमें दो एक्शन हुए हैं कि फिल्म भी स्टार्ट हो गई थी और हम सिनेमा भी पहुँच गए थे. बट द कंडीशन इज देयर. फिल्म स्टार्टेड एट 8, arrived at 8:10. Now it's time 10. So the film had started. फिल्म स्टार्ट हो चुकी थी when we arrive at the cinema. जब हम सिनेमा पहुंचे. Now another example is here. I went out after I had eaten breakfast. पहले मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया, उसके बाद मैं बाहर चला गया. 2 एक्शंस हैं, तो ये डिस्क्राइब करता है कि एक एक्शन के होने से पहले या एक एक्शन के होते ही दूसरा एक्शन टेक प्लेस हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज द पास्ट परफेक्ट tense is often used with the conjunctions. You know better conjunctions, when, before, after, and by. Look at the examples here. When he come home, I had already left. She had been to Australia before we went together. Next is we watched a film after we had eaten dinner. By the age of 80, he had written over 100 books. Next is with, after, and before. Students, लिसन केयरफुली. आफ्टर और बिफोर के साथ हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को भी यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि वो सीक्वेंस बहुत क्लियर होता है. लाइक वी वॉच्ड अ फिल्म आफ्टर वी एट डिनर. इन दिस सेंटेंस वी यूज्ड वॉच्ड एंड वी यूज्ड एट. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज शी वेंट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया ट्वाइस बिफोर वी वेंट टुगेदर. वेंट एंड वेंट both are in simple past tense. Okay. Now, how do we form the past perfect tense in affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences, positive sentences को कहते हैं. Now, what will be the sentence structure? Subject plus had plus past participle plus object. For example, she had replaced the light bulb before she electrocuted herself. क्या हुआ था यहाँ पे? उसने लाइट बल्ब पहले से बदल दिया था इससे पहले कि उसे करंट लगता. Okay. Now, how do we conjugate the past perfect tenses in affirmative sentences? Here are some examples. With I, you, he, she, we, they. Doesn't matter कि वो singular है या plural है. We always use had plus verb's third form plus object. Like I had eaten the cake, you had eaten the cake, and they had eaten the cake. Next is how do we form the past perfect tense in negative sentences? Negative क्या है? You have to add just not here. Subject plus had plus not plus past participle plus object. For example, Andy had not bought a new umbrella. Andy is subject here. Had not By का बन जाएगा bought, verbs third form, a new umbrella is a object. Now how to conjugate the past perfect tense in negative? You have to just add not. I had not been before, you had not been before, they had not been before. That's it. Now next is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences में जो had है वो first place पे आ जाएगा, then subject, then past participle plus object. Like had they organized a party before? Now how to conjugate this? Had I eaten the cake? Had you eaten the cake? Had we eaten the cake? With question mark. Now interrogative sentences with WH type questions. Then the sentence structure will be WH word plus had plus subject plus V3 plus other words. Now WH words you know better, what, where, when, why, ये सब कुछ होते हैं. Then the first sentence is what had I bought from the market? Where had you bought this ring from? Now इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस जो इंटेरोगेटिव भी हैं और नेगेटिव भी हैं, मीन्स उसमें क्वेश्चन भी आता है और नॉट भी आता है. देन द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर विल बी हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस other words. For example, had he not promised to come early? Had she not promised to come early? And so on. Now is the exercise time. In part A you have to fill up using simple past और past perfect tense. आपको simple past tense भी use करना है जहाँ पे requirement है, and also past perfect tense. The first is the mother dashed the baby before she dashed to the market. The mother had fed the baby before she went to the market. After the research team dashed the data, it dashed the facts with the evidence. After the research team had collected the data, it verified. Next is the tourist dash about the Taj Mahal before they dash at Agra. The tourists had learned about the Taj Mahal before they arrived at Agra. In part B, you have to change the following into negatives. You have to add not. In affirmative sentences, the first is the doctor had asked the patient about the symptoms. The doctor had not asked the patient. Next is Ishita had completed the painting by morning. It's an affirmative sentences. You have to change it in negative. Ishita had not completed the painting by morning. In part D, you have to change it into interrogative using WH word given जो आपको दिया गया है. Priyanka had already watched the movie La La Land. The question will be which movie had Priyanka already watched? Next is Rajat had shifted to Kolkata for new job. Where had Rajat shifted to for new job? Next is in part E, you have to change the following into interrogative negative. Question भी आना चाहिए और not भी आना चाहिए. The sentence is my parents wish for my well-being. Had my parents not wished for my well-being? The children are playing out in the playground. Had the children not played out in the playground? It's all about your chapter. I hope you get it very well. It's your homework. You have to do remainings of part A, B, C, D and E on page numbers 101, 102, 103 and 104 in your grammar book very neatly. Thank you. Have a great day.